Hello, let me help you get started with LessonPot. In this video, you will learn the basics of how to move around the app. Since it is a new app, we recommend that you spend a few minutes familiarizing yourself with how to use it. On our help page, in addition to this video, you will find sections with answers to many questions, and you will also find other help videos. Remember that LessonPot app will function exactly the same way whether you are registered as a teacher or volunteer or parent or student. Everybody can share their knowledge by creating and posting lessons. Everybody can discover lesson creators of their choice and benefit from them. This is the screen that you will see when you open the app. The title of the screen is All Lessons. You are in the Lessons section of your account. You will see the list of classes that you subscribe to when you registered. In this case, 6th standard and 7th standard CBSE. You can add other classes whenever you want. At the top left of the screen, you can see three horizontal lines. Tapping on it will get you the main menu. From this main menu, you can go to other sections of LessonPot, such as to build your LessonPot network by making connections with other users, to add or change details in your account, such as boards and classes, your profile information, etc. You can also go offline so that you can use LessonPot without internet connection. You can come to this help page by clicking on help. You can also tap on request support when you need our support with something in the app. Now, going back to the all lessons screen, you will notice that there is something called Masala Pot. What is this? Lessons that belong to 6th CBSE will be under 6th CBSE, and lessons that belong to 7th CBSE will be under 7th CBSE. Lessons that don't belong to any of the classes that you subscribe to, if you receive such a lesson, they will go under Masala Pot. For example, if somebody sends you a lesson on how to concentrate, that will go into Masala Pot. Now I am going to tap on 6th standard CBSE and go into it. Inside this class, you will be able to see the list of subjects. Here, you can see some English medium subjects and a few Hindi medium subjects. Had this been Tamil Nadu State Board, you might have seen English medium and Tamil medium subjects. If I tap on a subject like science, I will see the list of chapters as per the textbook. Now, it is possible that the data is missing or you follow a different textbook and these chapters do not reflect what is in your textbook, in which case you can request us for support by tapping on request support. Now, if I tap on a specific chapter, the first one here, I will be able to see under the public tab lessons created and posted to public by other lesson potters. Under the Mine tab, you will see lessons which you have created, which belong to you. Under the Receive tab, you will see lessons which you have directly received from your connections. And under the View tab, you will see lessons which you have recently viewed. These tabs are also available at the subject level across all chapters, at the class level across all subjects, and on the all lesson screen. More details about these tabs and about Masala Pot, Masala Subject, etc. are available in the help section under the questions. You will notice a bell at the top with the number 2 written on it. It indicates notification that you have received a lesson from someone you are connected to on LessonPot. Initially, when you take LessonPot, you are only connected to us, the LessonPot team. We have sent you some initial messages which you can see by tapping on Received. You can also go to Masala Pot and tap on Received. If you don't receive notifications when somebody sends a lesson to you, that means some settings on your phone will need to be adjusted. For that, you send a message to us via request support and we will help you. Once in a while, you should tap on Received in LessonPot to see whether we have sent a message or an update to you. Let us now look at what is in the Received tab. So there are two sample lessons that have been sent to you. we recommend that you go through these samples to understand how you can use LessonPod to very easily share knowledge in any language and across subjects. One sample is a language lesson where there is only an audio attached. It is an audio explanation of the first few lines of a poem. The student needs to read the poem from her textbook while listening to the explanation. The other sample lesson is the solution to a maths problem, where the solution is not in the textbook. The solution is within this lesson itself in the form of pictures, and there is an audio explanation of how to solve the problem. And this teacher also assigns another problem to the student. Each person will need only one LessonPod account. But if you are sharing your phone with others, for example, a mother and her two children may be using the same phone. In that case, you can create independent accounts for each of them. For that, go to the main menu and tap on Switch Account. There, you can click on Register New LessonPod account to create more than one account on the same phone.